Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I'm Joanna, and in today's video I have a kind of a list of ideas of all beauty and makeup things to do in quarantine. So if you want to know what my ideas are, then just keep on watching. Okay, so starting with the beauty and not makeup things, you can basically turn your house into a beauty salon. You can do things such as keep your skincare routine really strict. Sometimes when we are going out to work, we don't have as much time, but if you are staying home or even working from home, you are not going to be stuck in traffic or public transportation. So you have a little bit more time to really do all of your skincare routine. You also have time to do something different with your hair, maybe try some different hairstyles. I'm kind of terrible with that, but maybe you have a talent for it. And then you can also do some things at the end of the day, like some face masks to really relax. And there's also a lot of things that maybe you usually do out, and now that it's quarantine, you definitely have to do them in your home. That is doing your nails, doing your eyebrows, maybe some other bodily hair, but you can do those things yourself. And even with your nails, I haven't done mine, but you could probably do it and maybe do some things creative, like try different colors. But if you don't have any nail polish in your home, then just don't go out buying it. But then, concerning makeup, I'm going to start with some ideas for your makeup collection. You can do a full decluttering of your makeup collection, see what things are very old that need to be put out. This is a very good time to do it. Or if your collection doesn't need any decluttering, just pick the items that you don't usually use and give them a little bit more love. Then if you're done with the makeup decluttering, you can do a full new reorganization of your makeup collection, or just organize it if it's completely out of order. I have done a full reorganization of my makeup collection. I'll leave it up on the cards. So you can use that to clean the makeup storage that you have and really just see every product that you have. And if you want to take it to a whole new organization level, you can even do an inventory of your makeup collection, like see how many foundations you have, how many bronzers, how many lip products. You can do a lot of different things in the inventory style. You can see how many products you have of each brand, or do a full eyeshadow palette collection inventory. You can even do something like organize your products for each different season of the year. There's a lot of different things that you can do. And then there's something else that most people really don't like to do, but this is kind of the perfect time to do it. That is, clean all of your makeup brushes and sponges. That's a task that can take a little bit or a lot of time, but now that you are at home, you have all the time in the world to do it. So maybe just take a day or an afternoon and really deep clean all of your makeup brushes. And then, speaking of makeup itself, there's also a lot of things that you can do in this time that you have more free time. And makeup can also be something very relaxing and to keep your mind off of bad things. So I would suggest practicing and really taking your time to do it. Some very different makeup techniques. For example, you can try and practice your wing liner. This one didn't go perfectly well, but again, makeup takes practice. So now is a very good time to do it. You can also practice some different things, like for your eyeshadow, you can practice doing a cut crease, or you can practice doing a smoky eye. Those are things that really need more practice, so you can take this time to do it. And you can really do all of that practicing, maybe do a cut crease on one eye, do a smoky eye on the other, you probably wouldn't go out with two different eyeshadow looks. But as you have to stay home, that is the perfect time to do it. And then also playing with colors is usually something a little bit more difficult. So you can do something very colorful, maybe do a rainbow look like this. The tutorial will be coming soon. And you can also practice doing some other colorful eyeshadow looks that you don't usually do. Maybe if you are not very experienced with blue, do a full blue look, or other colors like orange, for example, and try to see what colors go together. That's a very nice exercise to practice. Then I would also suggest practicing some things that you think may need some improvement. For me, I would try to face contour. I don't usually do it, and I think I should give that a little bit more practice, and also the eyebrows. But yeah, those are some ideas, maybe even some different things like some ombre lips. And then if you are very bored and you have done everything, you can also get really creative and maybe do some extra creative things. Maybe get some time to practice for Halloween, and you can even do some very creative body painting looks. So when it comes to makeup, creativity, the sky is the limit. You can do whatever you want, and you can practice pretty much everything. So yeah, those are some ideas. There's probably a lot more different things that you can do to practice makeup. Let me know in the comments down below what things are you planning on practicing. And if you like this video, then don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It helps me so much, and it also helps me that if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel in the button down below for new videos every Thursday and a few extra videos in the next few weeks. Also, stay tuned for this makeup tutorial, and that is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!